Listen to me. I didn't kill your father. He was trying to kill me. He killed himself. Shut up!
Harry, she needs us. Get out. The night your father died, I cleaned his wound. The blade that pierced his body came from his glider. It came.